Hi students, welcome back to Taekwondo class. So let's begin our class. Okay, Chariot, Kugi, okay, Jumbi. Okay students, let's do a little warm-up exercises with some push-ups. Okay, ready? So open your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Side sit-ups. Open your legs out and sit-ups. Okay. 1, half sit-ups. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now go completely down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now go forward and touch your side, forward, back, and side. Okay, and come up. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Push. 1, 2, 3. Push. 1, 2, 3. And push. 1, 2, 3. And push. Okay. Turn towards your right. Okay. Your leg should be 180 degrees and this leg should be 90 degrees. And push your hip down. Push your hip down. Then lift your heel up. Go down. Okay. Change. Heel on. Push. Heel up. Go down. And up. Okay. Now half sit-ups. Okay. Just do half sit-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Stick your right leg forward and rotate. Change. Rotate. Change. Change your left leg. Change. Change. Good students, okay? So hold your knee up. Change. Good students, okay? Now what we are going to learn today is we're going to learn two kicks. One, we're going to learn skipping front kick and then skipping side kick. So skipping front kick will be, so let me show it to you first. Follow me this. Come closer to the camera and watch me this, okay? So you're going to go to fighting position, okay? Ready? Cue. So this is fighting position. So skipping front kick, what I'm going to show you with my right leg I'm going to show it to you. So while skipping, how do you do skipping? You just skip like this, correct? So when you skip, you're going to have the rope go below your legs. In the same way, here you're going to kick when while you're skipping. Ready? You see this? You're going to see this. You're going to take the movement forward. First, you're going to take the movement forward from your front leg, skip, and then kick. Ready? So I'm going to show you first with my first front leg. Okay, ready? 1. You see this in the air. So while you're jumping, you're going to kick forward. Ready? 2. This is called as front kick. 3. 4. 5. 6. Okay, couple of things here, students. Which is the hitting tool here? The hitting tool will be the ball of the foot. The ball of the foot will be your hitting tool. And when is this used? For example, the opponent is dodging and he is little far away, but you want to kick him, right? If you try to do the dropping kick, he may not be able to reach you. Right? If you're trying to do a side kick, you're not able to reach you. So by skipping, you'll be able to move forward so fast or move ahead so closely to the opponent where you can kick the opponent closely. You see this? You're going to skip. For example, the opponent is not so far, not so close. Close as in where you can reach the kick, where it is not possible. But he's little far. But you want to jump and reach him to kick. So that's when you can use the skipping kick. So you're going to jump, move forward, then kick. So what will this do? This will push away the opponent. The opponent will be pushed back. good students, the opponent will be pushed back, and then you will be able to get a point as well. And you will be able, and it's one of the very powerful kick as well, because you are using the ball of your foot, and your reaction force is also there. In fact, the action force is also there. How? Because you're moving your body forward. While moving your body forward, your leg is also getting impacted, and your leg is also pushing the person out. So there are multiple forces. Firstly, one is the motion of you. Yeah. Secondly, you're having more power, as in you jump, where you're able to, retract your leg and then push. So multiple forces are therein when you can do this kick. Okay. So this is through back leg what I'm showing you. What I showed you before is the front leg. So let me follow this. So all you have to do is come. First I'm showing you with the left leg now. Okay. You will move forward, jump from here, and before you land here, you're going to kick. You see this? Move forward, jump, kick. Ready? You see this? Move forward, jump, and kick. Again, move forward. Okay? You're going to move forward. You're going to push your body up with your left leg, jump, and while you're in the air, you're going to kick and land forward. You see this? You'll get closer to the opponent. Ready? Now what I'm going to show you with my right leg kick. Okay, ready? Good students. So now I'll show it to you with my back leg also now. Okay, back leg. Ready? Back leg. You're going to move forward, back leg. You're going to kick front. Ready? Start. Go. Change. So you're going to walk forward, take this step forward and then kick. You see this? One, and then kick, then come back. So back leg you're going to take, for example, back leg when you can use it when the opponent is a little farther and you need to reach and then kick. Ready? Start. Change. Left leg. Change. Come back. Ready? Back leg. One. Okay, you see this? 1, 2, kick. Change. 1, 2, kick. Left leg. 1, 2, kick. Ready? 1, 2, kick. Good students. So this is front and back. Okay, let me show it to you. The front kick 5 times, back leg kick 5 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. Right leg. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now back leg, students. Ready? 1, 2. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good students. So this is going to be your front skipping kick. Okay. Now side skipping kicks. For side skipping kick, it's very important that you practice your side stretches. Okay, this is very important. The hip has to be quite flexible when you do this side kicks. Okay, when you do the best part is hold the wall, and then do the side kicks. You see this? Okay, so this is, you're going to do it. Now let me show it with Kushi. Kushi, come here. So side kicks, okay? Hold the wall. Hold the wall. Okay? Give your leg. Now you see this? The hitting tool will be the blade. Okay, the hitting tool will be the blade. Change. Blade. So you need to make your hip flexible first, and then you need to perform it. Come here. Ready? So you need to hold the wall and first do the side kicks. Start doing it. 1. Just do the side kicks. Very good. 2. So you're going to take it in first and then kick. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1 second. Show it here. Okay, kick. Okay. Yeah. Now after doing this is just the side kick, okay? But if you're skipping kick, you cannot skip and do the side kick. You will have to jump and kick. That is called a skipping kick, right? But the hitting tool will be the blade of your foot. That will be this part, or it will be your heel. You cannot keep this, okay? You're going to break your toes. You don't do this, okay? You're going to break your toes. It's going to be your heel part. Okay, students? So how is this done? You see that side kick. So side kick, I go 1, and on the jump in the air and kick. You see this? 1, jump in the air. As you did in the front kick, this is, you're going to jump to the side kick. And side kick is a most powerful kick. It is a very devastating kick, but it is a little difficult to practice, but it's one of the best kicks. Okay, ready? Let me show it to you. Okay, ready? So in Jumbi position, now let's take the opponent is there in the front. So and your right leg is forward. And which is the front leg which can reach the opponent? It is always the first leg. The front leg can reach the opponent faster than the back leg, correct? So side kick, okay? So you're in the opponent, okay, you want to push the opponent forward. So you're going to take it 1. From here you're going to jump. You're going to jump from here itself and then kick. See this? Okay, sorry. Kick. Okay? From here you're going to jump, kick. Clear? You're going to jump from here and then keep the leg of the left leg as a base and then going to kick. Ready? Jump, kick. This is side kick. Let me show it to you the left side. Ready? You're going to jump from your front leg, then you're going to keep your right leg as the base and then kick. Ready? Kick. You see this? Kick. 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 Clear? Now with the right leg. Ready? Kick. Good, students? Very good. So practice front kick, side kick, change, side kick, Good, students. So you're going to practice these 2 kicks. Clear? Good, students. So let's do some cool down exercises. Ready? Stand straight. Okay, stand straight. Would you come? Okay, stand straight. Cool down. Okay, hands on your hip. Take a deep breath in. Heel up. Go down. Inhale, go up. Exhale, come down. Okay, ready? Inhale. 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 Good, students. Okay, go down. Okay, just swing your arms inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside. Keep swinging. hold your toes. Hold your toes. You can bend down, you'll feel more relaxed for your hamstrings. You can go down, but hold your toes, okay? And sit down. Come up. Close your feet together. Close your feet together, touch the ground. Come on. Good students. So practice these kicks, front kick, front skipping kick and side skipping kick. Okay students. So drink a lot of water, stay at home, stay healthy and stay safe. Okay. Chariot. Kyugi. Take on. One step back. Go to the class. Take on. Thank you students. Class disperse. Good students. Take care. See you.